Welcome to the project demonstration of transformer oil temperature and level monitoring with automatic circuit breaker operation. In this project we are using buzzer, LCD display, Arduino Nano and track PCB, and also using circuit breaker, AC bulb for the AC load and ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance of the oil. And also here we can see the power cable and bridge rectifier, or also full wave bridge rectifier. So now we are providing the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of AC power supply and it will be given to this bridge rectifier parallelly connected to this bulb through relay. So this rectifier will take 230 volts of AC power supply and it will be given 5 volts of DC. So that 5 volts of DC power will be given to this track PCB. So track PCB main aim is to divide a equal power to the all components. So have to give a 5 volts power supply for the all components through this track PCB. So these components will be take the power supply from this track PCB. So let us see the demonstration. So before demonstration we have to give a one object for this ultrasonic sensor, then only it will give a correct values. So now here we can see it will be showing the distance and temperature. So it is showing now 32 degree temperature. If it is become more than 40 degrees, then this bulb will be off automatically, and also it will give a buzzer alert if any high temperature is taken by this nano board. So if it's become less than 38, it will be automatically on the bulb. And also here we can see the ultrasonic sensor. It will measure the transformer oil. If the oil is become less, then it will be give a buzzer alert and also off the AC bulb. In this way, transformer oil temperature will be calculated by this sensor and the transformer oil level will be measured by sensor. This all system will be in a transformer. In this way, this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.